Onto the pitch for the start of this encounter.
And the Bobsleigh Cup with Cape Town Spurs. For more a midfield player to be in that position. The false nine nowadays, as they call it, against his former club. Makopa and Apollos, these are the guys who will be providing.
Change. So we stand by to get matters underway. Pirates to kick us off. Maswanganyi. Maswanganyi through the middle here, offside.
That was very, very tight.
Was he wrong? And Dar looks to have played Mofokeng on it now. Mofokeng to tease Enyanaya. Early ball, looking for Apollos. A good ball too. Apollos gets the shot in. It's just wide.
Did have an option of Tito as well, Maswanganyi on the edge, but you, as an attacker, you've got to take the opportunity. Just dragged it slightly across him. Anxious move.
Now down the other end, here's Mofokeng on the edge of the area. Drags it back, Maswanganyi. He hit that rather softly. And it's the Congolese Juan Ruamba, the cup final villain turned hero, who continues to charm the management. Still trying to conjure up a chance here. Oh, almost back towards his own goal from Enyanaya. Needed a good save from Sage Stevens to be able to continue. This is that header back from Enyanaya towards his goalkeeper. Big save. Just in the confusion there. Was he trying to duck out of the way? Dar had the final clearance, but wow. 4 behind Sundowns. They need to win tonight. DC waits to come on the pitch. You can see right in the right-hand corner of your screen, waiting for the referee to allow him back on. Maswanganyi takes us, flick on from Makala, and foul by Makopa on Stevens. Maswanganyi, Makopa, can he turn? Can he find Maswanganyi? And Enyanaya makes the save. The flag was up for offside anyway. Wouldn't have counted. Here comes Maswanganyi, battling with Lebusa. Lebusa almost got the tackle in there and did. Corner.
Good cover
into his preferred position. Back post for Apollos. Unmarked, had an opportunity.
It's clever enough. He probably could have left it for a corner kick. Well worked, the set play. Just needed a better contact from Apollos.
Pass for Pili, the idea was a good one. Here's Makopa, he's going to leave it for Mofokeng. Mofokeng scanning, almost caught by Ndaka. Referee's playing advantage. And now Ndaka is going to get a yellow card, and it's going to be a free kick to Orlando Pirates. Maswanganyi, Makopa, goal! Big strong header from the centre forward. Orlando Pirates have the lead. It's his 6th league goal, evidence Makopa. 7th of the season overall.
Play. You train these week in and week out. Players are responsible for marking certain players. And Makopa just got in front of his marker. It seems to be in doubt. But what a strong, powerful header. And the right thing to do, you want to hit it back where the cross came from. As the goalkeeper moving, it's very difficult to go back.
Well, in between those two experienced defenders, Lebusa and Ndar. Using his strength, gets his height, gets a good strong hit. Goal from Makopa has the Buccaneers in the lead. Good flick on from Makopa here. Beating Ndar again in the air. Moment like they're going to move away from 10th place. Top 8 might be slipping away here tonight. Mofokeng, Maswanganyi. Makopa again! That's gone all the way through. Now, did Makopa get a touch, or is it Maswanganyi's goal? I think Makopa is pointing towards Maswanganyi in a very sporting way to say it's his. Or is he calling everyone over? Who's claiming this one? Maswan Makgopa.
And that look on Coach Gavin Hunt's face tells a story. Comes down.
The ball inside here, looks up, delivers the cross. Did Makgopa get a touch? I don't think so. Stevens didn't get a touch either. This will perhaps give us a better indication. No touch Makgopa, I fancy. No touch Apollos either. Yeah, there's no ways Makgopa touched. And his quality this season and put on an untested, untried youngster who hasn't played any top-flight football against the Buccaneers. But Gavin Hunt has
back into this game.
No, turned 27 last month. That throw is just a little too strong.
Well, that throw should have gone towards goal.
To the corner flag. And off Lebusa. Set-piece opportunity where Orlando Pirates have claimed their goals tonight.
When it comes to corners, it's either Hollis or Mopokeng that takes them. Big boys will go forward. Sabisi and Bartha lingering on the edge of the box. And obviously evidence Makgopa.
R1,000, Judy Ndika. The best dressed. Coach didn't really think he was up to much. He's proved him wrong at Orlando Pirates. Masangai. And it will be a corner. Pressure like for like in the attack department. And the other change will be in the middle with Masindi Nentagela on. And Maswangangi gets a bit of a break. It's Nentagela more of a...
Boys come off, definitely done a job.
Well, Batuma, relative youngster at 24, has got 8 goals in all competitions on our hands. That's over the top. Last time it was this close was that COVID championship, Sean, and him after coming on as a half-time substitute, along with Cupido. Palace in there. Butsaka scored in the last game against Sekukune. Last home game, I should say, but tonight, not too many chances. No, he's got 8 seconds, Sipo Chain, to get rid of this. To take his place. De Jong against his own side. Now, Titus. Little touch. Oh, Palace so unlucky. Hits the upright. Well, he's been amongst the goals. Janino Palace of late. He was so close there. 3 goals in pecking order as far as the centre-backs are concerned, with Moloi Sani suspended tonight. Lebusa back from injury. It's Lebusa and Ndar the first choice. Good block there. Block made by Ndaba. Here goes Apollos. Across. The header from Enyinaya. Or was it Mofokeng? Mofokeng
Completing the header, but what a run from Apollos.
He's had such a great season, Apollos. Been involved in all of the league games this season, not always in the starting lineup, but played a part in every single one of the